Hi everybody, I just wanted to show you what I got with my gift card that I got for Christmas for Bath & Body Works. They are having their 75% off sale, as well as bringing some things out for Valentine's Day. And so I picked up a few things, and look what I found. It is fabric care detergent, and it's from White Barn, and it's Vanilla Bean Noel. And it's a big bottle here. It is 32 ounces. Now, normally, this is, I don't know if you could see it, $20, but I got it for $4.99 because it was 75% off. And I got not one, but two of them. So I thought that would be really neat. So that was a really good buy. And then I also got one of my favorite fragrances, Strawberry Pound Cake. And this is a mist. I thought that was really nice. And I also got Twisted Peppermint. I love this one. And if I'd have seen the spray, I would have got that too. But this, they just had the lotion. And these are usually like $15 each. That one is. And then, yeah, this one's usually $17 each. So I only got those for maybe, $4 or so. And now over here in this bag, I got some of this Recharge Orange and Ginger. It's like a foaming bath. And then this one was normally, what, $15.95 or so. And I got that one for about $4. It smells really good. And then I got this Deep Breathe. It's a eucalyptus and lavender cream, and it's a hydration cream with shea butter and hyaluronic acid. I know, it smells really good. That's why I got it. And this one was usually $17.95. I think they really overpriced these, so they could really bring them down once it's time to sell them for about $4 or so. And then I got some of these, I forget what they call them, but they're little air fresheners, and I've got the little containers they go in, but I needed some more. And they only work with theirs. So these are a little expensive normally, but these were $1.99 each. I got a Cozy Christmas and Santa's Workshop. I do not know what these smell like, but I hope they smell good. And then I also got iced ginger snap as well. So I'm going to try those out. That's all I got today, and I spent like $32 or something. I ended up with like $34 left on my card, so I can go back again and buy another day. Hi everybody. Okay, so the Bath & Body Works haul was about a week ago, and today we went to a warehouse that is moving. It's a book warehouse, and they had this deal where you bring a bag and fill it up for $5. So we really couldn't not go. I love books. So I'll show you some of the ones that I found. The kids found a whole bunch of them. I won't show you all of theirs, just a few that I chose for them, and then all of the cookbooks that I found. All right, here are the books that I found, and I filled up the bag. Baking Without Fat. This is by George Mottlejohn. I like his books. I like his recipes. They really are very, very interesting, and he was kind of a guru back when. That was great. I always wanted to find this book. I heard about it, The Zen and the Art of Motorcycle Maintenance. This is a book that this author went to 300 publishers before he found one that would publish this book, and I learned about that in one of my college courses years ago. And this has nothing to do with motorcycle maintenance, I hear, but it is very interesting. So I finally found the book. I'm going to read it and see what it's about. And then I found this low-calorie recipes. I always could use that. The Carb Lover's Diet. Eat what you love, get slim for life. Now, I'm not looking for a new diet, but I love new recipes, and a lot of times I find great recipes in books like this that are health conscious. Comfort Classics, healthy favorites made healthy. There's got to be some good things in there. Southern Accent. Now this is like a collection of recipes that are like, they're really, really old, but they're conglomerate. They're kind of like collections from different people. I think this is a junior league from somewhere, and they come together and they bring all these wonderful recipes. I love these kind of books. I also love Amish cooking, and this is the best of Amish cooking, and I can't wait to look and see what is offered in here. And then this one, Ann Willen's Cook It Right. Achieve perfection with every dish you cook. I read a book of hers once that I got at the library, and it was all about a tutorial of how to cook meat and how to braise it, roast it, whatever it is, whatever kind of meat it was. It was a perfectly illustrated, it was like one of those DK books where you could see every step, and I really, really loved it. So I know she's a wonderful cook that has she used to have a school in France. All right, the Essential Baking Cookbook. I love that. I love baking, so why not? Paleo Sweets. And I thought there would be some nice recipes in here that were sugar-free, so I'm going to look through those. I also got, this book is kind of a good reading book, No Foreign Food, The American Diet in Time and Place. So this kind of like shows you how the American diet from the beginning of America to where it is now has taken a real turn, and how we got to where we are from no fake food to lots of fake food. And that's going to be a really good read. I can't wait to get into that. 6 Ingredients or Less Chicken Cookbook. That sounds great to me. Something that just makes it really simple things for dinner. I think I will be sharing some of those with you. And then this is the pH Miracle for Weight Loss. Again, I'm not looking for a new diet, but I saw that there were some really great recipes in here, so I went ahead and got that book. I did get some for the kids, The Incredible Journey. I don't know, we might have that in our library, but just in case not, I picked it up. Where the Red Fern Grows. I read this 3 times when I was a kid. I loved it, loved the movie. So that, we have one in our library, but I bought that for a friend. This one seems to have won some awards. It's called Worth. It seems like it might be a good book for them to read. Writer's Craft. This is one of the writing workshop for the kids. And then I got Walt Whitman for my high schooler to read some of his writings. This is early Christian doctrines. I like reading a lot about historical things like that. So that's for me. And I always like stress-free investing type books, so I picked this one up. So anyway, I got that in the $5 bag. Pretty neat haul.